Hello children, good morning. This is your social study period now. Students, in continuation of the chapter 8, kinds of soil, today we are going to start doing exercises that is given in the back of the chapter. Let us see what type of questions are given there. Start. A. Okay, open your book, page number 54. Now see, A. Tick the correct options. Tick the correct option, that means this is MCQ type of question. Options are given, you have to tick the correct option. 1. Indian soils have been divided into A. 6 groups, B. 8 groups, C. 4 groups. Yes, what is the answer? It is B. 8 groups. Put a tick mark on B. Now 2. Soil formed by the deposition of silt transported by the rivers is called A. Black soil, B. Alluvial soil, 3. Red soil. The answer is B. Alluvial soil. You know now, rivers bring silt with them and deposit it on the banks of the river. On the banks it is deposited. What is deposited on the banks by the river? That is silt, and that silt is called alluvial soil. Alluvium, it is called alluvium, and the soil is called alluvial soil, right? So the answer will be B. 3. These soils are mainly formed due to the decomposition of ancient rocks. A. Red soil, B. Laterite soils, C. Black soil. What is the answer? It is B. Laterite soil. As I told you students that these soils are formed of rocks of the hills. Laterite soil are formed under the under the condition of high temperature and heavy rainfall, or with the alternate wet and dry period. Okay, so the condition is actually what happened here? It is contraction and relaxation. Contraction and relaxation. This thing on the rocks, what happened? This rocks breaks down into small pieces. And due to why it happened? Due to wet and dry period. When it is wet, it expands, and when it is dry, it contract, and this is how laterite soils is formed. Okay, so students, the answer will be B. Laterite soil. Now question number 4. These soils are very good for growing tea, coffee, rubber and coconut. A. Arid and desert soil, B. Forest and mountainous soil, C. Laterite soils. Yes, if this option is not given, that coconut, then it will be forest and mountainous soil. The answer should be this. But where it is given coconut, that means laterite soil. Okay, growing tree, coffee, rubber and coconut. The correct option is laterite soil, C. Right? Next, D. Fill in the blanks. Fill up the blanks with the suitable words given in the brackets. Here also options are given. 1. Dash are inexhaustible resources. Sunshine and water. Next is water and forest. What will be the inexhaustible resources? Inexhaustible resources, that means renewable resources. Renewable, it can be renewed. That is sunshine and water. Then the answer is sunshine and water. Number 2. Dash does not retain much water and dries up quickly. Which type of soil it is? Sandy soil or clay soil? Obvious, sandy soil. Sandy soil does not retain much water and dries up quickly. It can't hold water. Very dry. Number 3. The northern plains have mostly dash soils. The northern plains are mostly have dash soils. Mostly. What type of soil? Alluvial soil or laterite soil? Just we have read. The answer will be alluvial soil. Number 4. Black soils are formed from dash rocks. Lava or hilly. Lava rocks or hilly rocks. Black soil, that means lava. It is related to lava. It is formed from lava. Okay, so answer will be lava rocks. And turn page number 53. Keep in mind, from there also I have given 3 fill up the blanks. That also you will write in your copy. Okay. Soil forms the uppermost layer of the earth's dash. What it will be? Crust. Earth's crust. 6. There are dash major groups of soil in India. Dash, what you will fill in? 8. There are 8 major groups of soil in India. 7. Soil dash occurs when the top layer of the soil is carried away by water and wind. Soil what? When the upper layer of the soil is carried away by the natural agent like water and wind. What is that called? It is called soil erosion. Okay. What is the spelling of erosion? E-R-O-S-I-O-N. Next is, after filling the blanks, you will write that 3 fill in the blanks under D. Okay. And now E. E is write true or false against each statement. Each statement. 1. Desert soils are mostly made of clay. True or false? False. Desert soils are mostly made of sand. That means the statement is false. Write false. 2. rice grows well on laterite soil. Is that true or false? This is true. If manured, the condition is if manured, rice can grow well on laterite soil. So you can give the statement as true. Next is 3. Felling of trees is not linked with soil erosion. False. Felling of tree is always linked with soil erosion. The roots of the tree that holds soil, when it is cutting down, what happen? Soil loss and erosion occur. So felling of tree is linked with soil erosion, and the given statement is false. Number 4. Alluvial soils are ideal for growing food grains. Yes, the statement is true. Number 5. Laterite soil is easily leached. Yes, it is said that laterite soil can be easily leached. In the time of heavy rainfall, the soil are easily leached. So the statement is true. Number 6. Fruit crops grow well on alluvial soils. Fruit crops grow well on mountainous soil. Okay, so you write false. So students, up to this today you will write all the answers on the book, and first you will write the date and classwork. What you will give the date? 15/7/20. Write down date on page number 54, 15/7/20. Okay, and one thing that I have given, filling the blanks on page number 53, that you will write D 567. Okay, and underline what I have given. Just how I have given, you will do like that only. Students, then the class ends here. Goodbye.